your glorious life. Out of the dark into your marvelous light. We are waiting with expectations. Spirit, raise us up with you. Let the church rise from the ashes. Let the church fall to her knees. Let us be light in the darkness. Let the church rise. Let the church rise.